Welcome there. Welcome our new video. Today I will show you how to set up shipping and delivery method. First, for your Shopify store, first log in your Shopify store. Then you can see this page and click for set up shipping and delivery. Click setting. When click setting, then you can see this page. Then you can see option shipping and delivery. Click here. When click shipping and delivery, then you can see this page. Click general shipping general shipping rate. When click general shipping rate, then you can see this page. You can see Shopify setup basic shipping. If you want to change or add or delete, when if you want to delete, click here and click delete. If you want to add shipping zone, create a zone. First add your rate, click add rate, click custom delivery rate name, USP, then delivery option and price for your accounting, your shipping and company. No worry. Then if you want to, then click save. And if you want to click international shipping rate, click rate at rate, and again click any courier name or rate name, then click price and click done. This is a process how to set up shipping and delivery. Thank you for watching.